Hello students, welcome to LJ Institute of Engineering and Technology. Here myself Mr. Jaiswal Kishan, Civil Engineering Department, and we are learning all about structural analysis. Now today we are in session number 3 of ILD for determinate structure. So let's start our session. Now today we will be considering one more example. Let's see. Here, a simply supported beam AB has a span of 5 meter. Draw influence line for RA, RB, VX and MX for a section X at 2 meter from left hand support. Means our section is given 2 meter from left hand support. Also find the values of RA, RB and MX when a series of 4 concentrated load 10 kilonewton, 12 kilonewton, 15 kilonewton and 8 kilonewton acting at 1 meter, 2 meter, 3 meter and 4 meter respectively. So now here is the same sum which we have done in previous session, but here it has also asked that to find again the value of RA, RB, VX and MX when a series of 4 concentrated load like as 10, 12, 15 and 8 acting this meter respectively. Now we will be finding out ILD for RA, RB, VX and MX for 2 meter section, and we will be also finding when the load is acting how much these values are coming. Now let's see how to find. Now it is quite more similar which we did in previous session. Let's see here A and B support is given of length 5 meter having section of at 2 meter, means x is as 2 meter, L minus x remaining is 3 meter. Now here point load has been made. Now our next and first step is to find out RA. Now we will be finding out our RA with the help of this formula. RA is nothing but L minus y upon L. Now in as previous sum, as I said, the y is the vary function from 0 to L. So here y will vary from 0 to 5 and L is nothing but our total length 5 meter. So now here the first value will be of 0 of y. So L is of 5 meter. So 5 by 5 is nothing but 1. Next, I have made a 1 meter interval. So at again 1 meter, the y value equals to 1. So 5 minus 1 is nothing but 4. 4 upon 5 will give me 0.8. Then 3 upon 5. Then 2 upon 5. Then 1 upon 5 and at last 0 upon 5, ultimately 0. So like this way, we can find out ILD for RA. The same way which we did in previous sum. Simple formula has been applied in which L is of 5 meter and y varies from 0 to 5. Now here it has been asked that to find the value of respective RA, RB, VX and MX for this 4 load acting at 1 meter, 2 meter, 3 meter and 4 meter. Let's see. Now look, this 10 kilonewton is acting at 1 meter. So 0 to 1 at 1 meter 10 kilonewton. At 2 meter it is 12 kilonewton, at 3 meter it is 15 kilonewton and at 4 meter it is 8 kilonewton. Now these 4 concentrated load are acting at this respectively distance. Now we have to find the values. So we have drawn the ILD for RA. So with the help of this diagram, we will be finding out RA for this 4 concentrated load. Let's see how. So RA to find out for this concentrated load is nothing but that particular concentrated load multiplied by ILD ordinate. Means look, this 10 kilonewton is just above the ordinate of 0.8. So 10 multiplied by 0.8 plus 12 multiplied by this 0.6, because 12 is at above 0.6 ordinate, 15 is above 0.4 ordinate and 8 is above 0.2 ordinate. So 10 multiplied by 0.8 plus 12 multiplied by 0.6 plus 15 multiplied by 0.4 plus 8 multiplied by 0.20. So after multiplication this plus this plus this plus this, I will be getting my this RA value. Like this we have find out RA for this particular 4 concentrated load. So this is just simple to apply formula and then multiply with ordinates. Now next is to find out RB. So the formula for RB is nothing but Y by L. Y vary from 0 to L and L is my 5 meter. So here it is 0 by 5, 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5 and 5 by 5. So we can find out these respective values as we did in previous sum. Just to apply formula, here L is of 5 meter and Y vary. Now here we have to find, as you can see that I have highlighted this ordinates because we have to also find out RB for this 4 concentrated load. So we will be placing that 4 concentrated load just above to the particular ordinate. Then as we did over here, we will be doing over here. Means 10 multiplied by 0.2 plus 12 multiplied by 0.4 plus 15 multiplied by 0.6 plus 8 multiplied by 0.8. So after multiplying this, then adding with this value and this value, I will be getting my 22.20 kilonewton value for RB. So what we did, we have drawn ILD for RA with the help of formula L minus Y upon L, and then applied 4 concentrated load at respective distance and multiply that 4 concentrated load with respective ordinates to get that particular RA value. Similarly we did for RB. Now our next is to find out Vx and Mx for 2 meter interval. So let's see. Now here you can see 2 meter section. So for that 2 meter we have to draw this ILD for Vx, and as I said that the formula for Vx and Mx are only for peak loads and rest of the things we have to find out with the help of relation. So the peak relation positive Vx is nothing but L minus X upon L and negative is nothing but X upon L. Here X is not a vary function like Y. X is given at 2 meter section. So I have made here at 0 to 2 this section. So here L is 5, X is 2. So 5 minus 2 is nothing but 3 upon 5 is 0.6 and 2 upon 5 is nothing but 0.4. And the rest of the value we can find out with the help of relation. Like as you can see here it is up to 3 meter. So for 3 meter it is 0.6. So for 2 meter it is how much? So it will be 0.4. For 3 meter it is 0.6. So for 1 meter it is 0.2. Likewise from here for 2 meter it is 0.4. So for 1 meter it is how much? So it will be 0.2. So after finding out this value for Vx and positive Vx and negative Vx and drawn ILD, now our next step is to find out that value for that particular concentrated load. So let's see. So as per given length I have placed this whole load. It is at 1 meter, it is at 2 meter, 3 meter and 4 meter. Now here there are two sides of Vx, negative Vx and positive Vx. So there will be two value of Vx shear force. Left side will follow Ra and right side will follow Rb. Means here you can see if I am standing in the center of the beam, left side reaction support is Ra and right side reaction will be Rb. So as there are this much value, where to put what value, let's see. Now here written for left side it will follow Ra. So Vx is equals to 10 multiplied by minus 0.2 because it is in negative side plus 12 multiplied by there are two values. So what to put in the value? Now here we are calculating for left side the reaction will be follow of Ra and Ra reactions are upwards. This green one are of Ra and then this pink one is of Rb as we learned in theory. So 12 multiplied by will be 0.6 plus 15 multiplied by 0.4 plus 8 multiplied by 0.2. So after multiplication and summation of this I will be getting my Vx is 12.8. Now look, here it is for Vx for left side. So what will be Vx for right side? It will follow Rb portion. There is a little change. Please note that this 10 multiplied by minus 0.2, then this 12 multiplied by not this Ra value but this Rb value which is 0.4. So we have to apply minus 0.4. As I said, left side will follow RA and right side will follow RB. This you have to remember. So minus 0.4 multiplied by 12. Then 15 multiplied by only single value. So put 0.4. 8 multiplied by 0.4. Now in Vx particularly we have to keep in mind that there are two values. So for when to keep where what? So for left side it is follow Ra, which is upward green value, and for right side it will follow Rb, which is this pink value. And other than it is remain same. Now 10 multiplied by minus 0.2 will give me negative value. Similarly it will be giving negative value. Then this two positive. So algebraic sum value will be giving me Vx is 0.8 kilometer. Now our next step is to find out Mx. So section is of 2 meter. So formula is Mx equals to x into L minus x upon L. X is 2 meter, length is of 5 meter. So we'll be getting the value of peak 1, and then with the help of relation, like for 3 meter it is 1.2. So for 2 meter it is 0.8. For 1 meter it is 0.4. Like from left hand side, as I said, this triangle will be split into two parts. From peak value there will be left hand triangle, and from peak value there will be right hand triangle. For right hand triangle the remaining distance is 0 to 3, and for left triangle it is remaining distance is 0 to 2. So the relation will be like for 0 to 2. 2 meter it is 1.2. So for 1 meter it is how much? So it is 0.6. Now again we have to find out the Mx for this concentrated load. Nothing, just placed and multiply with the ordinate. Here it will be simple. As we can see there is only positive Mx value, only single diagram. So the value will be of single only. That 10 multiplied by 0.6 plus 12 multiplied by 1.2 plus 15 multiplied by 0.8 and plus 8 multiplied by 0.4. After algebraic sum of this I will be getting 35.60 kilometer into meter. So in previous session we just find out Ra, Rb, Vx and Mx. Now in this session we have found out Ra, Rb, Vx and Mx IID diagram as well as a particular loading value. So like this file you can find out the value with the help of formula. Let's have a quick revision. What we did IID for Ra, Rb, and for that particular loading as given we have to find out that Ra and Rb value. Similarly for Vx and Mx. I would like to recall that here y function is the vary function, means 0 to L, but x will be given at a particular section. These two things we have to keep in mind. And for exam you have to follow like this at left side, just to show this simple calculation. That's it.